Hello and welcome to Tyler's Most Wonderful World of Weather. Today we're going to take a look at our hurricane outlook. This is from NOAA, our National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and they're the best source on hurricane information, so let's go to them and check out what they have to say. So we have a 10% chance of a storm developing in the Gulf of Mexico. Not too concerned about that yet. We'll give it a few days and see if it's still convecting thunderstorms in that area, or if it moves into the Gulf. Then we should be a bit concerned because the Gulf is very warm this time of year in October now. It's the reason why our peak of the hurricane season is in October and September is because the waters are very warm this time of year. Now we have Hurricane Kirk, which is currently a major hurricane, wind sustained at 140 miles per hour, and it's forecasted to head off to sea and basically hit near Iceland. So that could be a problem for them as we head into the future. And we have Hurricane Leslie, which is heading towards the USA, but I'm a little bit intrigued by this, so I'm going to take a look at our handy dandy GFS model and see if Hurricane Leslie is forecasted by the GFS computer model, forecast model, to impact the USA in the next several weeks, because it will take a week or so to get here. So let's take a look and see if the GFS has this. And let's see, right around here it should be popping up, but it has nothing. In fact, I think there's going to be too much shear by the looks of it, because we're going to have a big blocking high pressure on the East Coast by, this would be by October 13th, so in about 9 days from now. So right now, let's take a look at the Atlantic model, and we're going to take a look again at our GFS. We're going to focus here on the Atlantic Ocean, and we're going to loop it and just kind of see where these two hurricanes go. Now we know our first hurricane, Kirk, is going to go out to sea, but here's Leslie making its way towards the USA, but then again, like I said, shear kind of shears it off in a way into the same direction that Kirk went to, into the Iceland area, into Ireland too. Last but not least, let's take a look at our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. And just to see if we're going to see any taste of fall weather, but by the looks of it, days 8 to 14, it's going to be hot in much of the country, especially towards the northern plains. In fact, that's like a good chunk of 70 to 80% of the country going to be above average. Our 6 to 10 day outlook, again, shows much of the same. So just to do a quick update. In my next update, I will do a video on the Jamstack computer model and what that's forecasting for our winter. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching and take care.